we are starting with alcohol fermentation. First of all, we will see that what our requirements are. First of all, we have this production medium with us, which contains 500 ml of our production content. Okay. Now this is our inoculum, which is having actively young yeast culture, and that is of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay. And this culture we have activated from our old culture, which we usually preserve in our department in the form of pure yeast culture. Okay. So these two things we have. So now we can start alcohol fermentation very nicely. Now this is the measuring cylinder in which we are going to collect our inoculum in the quantity of 50 ml. Okay, 40 ml to 50 ml we can take, because usually we use 10% of the inoculum for inoculating the production medium. So now you will see that how I am adding the inoculum. This is our inoculum medium. Now with the help of measuring cylinder, exactly I am withdrawing 50 ml of this content. So now, because this contains 50 ml, okay? This is the cylinder of 50 ml quantity only. So we have already filled it properly. Now, aseptically, I will inoculate this medium. Okay?
Production media.
So our inoculum is added properly. Now only once we are supposed to shake this water. Okay, only once. So we will shake it nicely. Okay, to mix the production medium with the inoculum. Okay. So now it is done. Now we can withdraw 25 ml out of this. So how to do it? First of all, please give me marker. First of all, we will measure, okay, here marks 25, exactly 25 ml. This is our 25 ml. So it will be easy for us to take out the material. Everything should be done in aseptic condition, okay? Yes. So 25, nearly 25 ml we have withdrawn. Now without disturbing this production medium is to be kept in your drawer, okay? It should not be disturbed at all. So very gradually you can handle it and you can put it in your drawer. Now this is of our use. Okay, this aliquot will be now undergo some pre-treatment. Now before we pre-treat this, first of all we will measure the pH. Now pH should remain usually acidic side, because we are dealing with alcohol fermentation. So let us see that what is the pH of this medium. Okay, we will confirm the pH first, and then after we will go further. What is the exact pH? It is 4 point. It is already acidic in nature. Okay, the pH is already acidic. It is 4.5. Right? So I think it should go on decreasing when it will progress with the fermentation. So we will write it down the pH. Now with the help of one slide. Have you given me the slide?
Yes.
Right. So now with the help of nichrome wire, I will take a little amount from my inoculum from my liquid and I will make a smear here. Okay, so it should be done very nicely. Okay, so this is the way how you prepare the
Smear.
smear. Now it should be allowed to air dry and then after it should be used for heat fixing, and after heat fixation we will carry out gram staining for checking of the purity of the yeast cultures. Okay. Now with this we will again measure exactly 20 ml and then after we will pre-treat it. Okay. Now how to pre-treat, so that I will tell you that first of all we will make this content exactly 20 ml. It is 25. It is for our convenience we are taking more. Okay, but actually it should be taken in exactly 20 ml. So we can measure it by using 10 ml pipette, or we can also go for some other measuring cylinder. So we have extra, we can use it, no problem. But it should not be more than 20. Okay, so be very sure that it should be exactly 20 ml. This is 20 ml. Yes. So we are doing exactly 20 ml. Now we will go for bigger. Okay. So just now it is okay. So this is our 20 ml. Now we will add concentrated HCl. Concentrated HCl only 1 ml. Okay. And after that we will keep this beaker in water bath for 30 minutes for hydrolysis of polysaccharide. Okay. So our water bath is already prepared, and now in a porous jar we will keep it inside. Okay. Then after hydrolysis we will neutralize our sample with sodium bicarbonate. This is the white powder of sodium bicarbonate. It should be added gradually and there will be formation of the bubbles, and when it will bubble formation will stop, our neutralization will end, and then after we can go for dilutions and we can go for pulse method. Okay. And pulse method is very easy to do, so that is why there is no problem. And then after doing pulse method we will calculate using formula and we will find out that what is our total gram % sugar for first stage in alcohol fermentation. Okay, thank you. તેને થોડોક મેં ઠંડો પાડી દીધો. હા,
આપણું કયું છે એમાં?
2 મિનિટ
બહુ
રાખો.
ઊભા ગઈ હતી, બહુ જાને તું ઊભી રહે કહું.
Meanwhile, હવે હું તને કહું ને બેટા ત્યારે આ સ્ટાર્ટ કરજો.
ઈ મેં કરી દીધું. તો પાછું
એક મિનિટ,